movie was amazing! The Last Airbender! Oh!
It sucked.
What?
Yeah, I mean, come on, the movie was terrible.
Oh yeah? Well, look at the awesome airbending I learned from the movie!
Look at the water bending I learned from the movie.
Let's try some earth bending. Whoa.
The movie might have sucked, but I still learned some fire bending from all this.
Oh, you're cold.
At least we learned something from this.
What is that?
The cartoon is much better than the movie.
Yeah.